So guys, let's group key results. That will be one good thing for us to do. Group by objectives. Yep. And we can hide this. This will be for objective 1 and objective 2. We can actually turn this into a page. Into a page. And we can also turn this into a page. Maybe we can use initiators for later, but right now we are having it in a page. And now we're gonna add another property here. It will be a roll-up. Here results. Progress. Bridge. Yeah. And then we're gonna add another property. This will be progress roll-up. And this one will be a formula. And type. Yep. Number format percentage. Yeah. Now yeah, I think now it is fine. And this one will be average of progress percentage. Yeah, I think we have given good enough dashboard for us. And we can also make this much more accessible. I think we can add a new property. I don't think we need this. At the best, those are good enough. We have our KPIs in place. If it is red, we need to make this a priority to fix this, because without this, we cannot move forward. Objectives are here and their progress is visible. Key results are here for each objective, grouped by objective. And then we have our quarters and initiatives. So let's add some design details to it that will make it look better.